Scale, the gas-free blockchain designed to scale gaming, artificial intelligence, and high-performance decentralized applications, has seen its native token trade as high as 0.032 with its 30-day rally of more than 60%. So let's dive into how this project is changing the game and what it means for the crypto world as well as for you and me. You see, gas fees have always been a thorn in the side of crypto adoption. High costs can make people hesitate, especially in areas like gaming where microtransactions are the norm. But with Scale's gas-free blockchain transaction, that's off the table. You see, users can now jump into decentralized applications without worrying about the extra costs. And this can only lead to more people trying out what Scale's got to offer, which is a good thing, I presume. You see, blockchain adoption is accelerating across legacy industries, with platforms seeking to add Web3 functionality in order to enhance user engagement. As it looks to integrate advanced Web3 features, Scale wants to boost its users with gas-free, fast transactions. In this case, Hollywood-level transmedia franchise It Remains has teamed up with Scale Labs to merge entertainment and blockchain, with the viewer becoming the participant. The integration support features such as interactive, artificial reality and virtual reality experiences and NFT-powered governance. It Remains will utilize Scale's Ethereum virtual machine compatible chains in order to deliver cost-free interactions across gaming, AI, and decentralized application. Scale's modular chains offer pool security and customizable resource allocation. So partner app chains on the network have recorded significant growth, more than 3 million unique active wallets and more than 680 million transactions to date. So I truly encourage everyone to dive into the exciting evolution of Scale's ecosystem and its potential. So in this video, we're going to give you some insight on Scale's latest news and why I believe we should remain optimistic in 2025 and beyond. And as always, before we start, I want to welcome you to Crypto Never Sleeps. You see, it is with great conviction and hard work that I still try to provide you top quality projects. So please hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the live streams when they will be on so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I am a real investor. And before we move on, I want to let you know that we increased our position in Scale at 0.03 on August the 13th, 2025. So, for those of you who didn't buy Scale yet, today is a good day to start. Just remember, everything I say and do should not be considered financial advice because in the end of the day, I don't know about crypto. So, the live Scale price today is trading at 0.031 and the current coin market cap ranking is number 241 with a live market cap of slightly more than 180 million. Still trading, and this is a real opportunity, 97% below its all-time high, which was recorded on March 12, 2021. So you could consider it a low cap, but it has consistent volume when it comes to trading volume, and I am increasingly optimistic. Now let's get into the news. Scale has presented Calypso Hub. Calypso Hub is a gasless interoperable Scale network hub chain built for scalable blockchain applications across gaming, NFTs, marketplaces, and AI-driven platforms. With zero gas fees, instant finality, and cross-chain composability, Calypso is a launchpad for high-performance decentralized application. Now the live projects on Calypso are, and the first one is Pixudi, blockchain racing meets NFTs, and it is a free-to-play, play-to-collect board game where players race, overcome missions, and trade NFT-based characters/items. Zero pay-to-win mechanics. Second is Dmail, which is decentralized AI communication. It's a cross-chain email and notification platform with ChatGPT-powered agents, encrypted messaging, and marketing automation across dApps and chains. And finally, you got the XO, the SO, AI-driven social discovery. And with more than 1.5 million downloads, XO uses verified blockchain identity and AI engagement to fuel deep token incentivized conversations, 3 times industry standard retention. Liquidity boost via MEX integration. The MEX exchange enabled direct Scale deposits withdrawals to Scale's Europa hub on July 15th, eliminating bridge risks and gas fees. And what does this mean? Well, for users, effortless access to Scale. For developers, onboarding just got 10 times easier. Reducing friction for traders, 24-hour volume surged more than 1,600% to 381 million. Turnover ratio, that's volume divided with market cap, hit 1.9, signaling high liquidity and reduced slippage. Institutional flows likely as centralized exchange accessibility improves. Next piece of news, AxonDAO partners with Scale to power scalable zero-fee infrastructure for decentralized health research. So AxonDAO, which is a leading force in decentralized science, also known as DeSci, and health data sovereignty, today announced its partnership with Scale, the world's fastest zero gas-free blockchain network. As AxonDAO expands its network of wearables, AI health models, and research tools, Scale's decentralized architecture provides a vital layer of transparency and verification. So together, Scale and AxonDAO are launching the first ever DPIN plus DeSci plus zero gas stack, which is a powerful trifecta that redefines what's possible in decentralized health innovation. Now, while Scale does not directly store health data, it enables AxonDAO to validate and verify all system interactions using lightweight proofs.as, and AxonDAO's product suite, including CureRing and CureOS, grows in adoption. Scale's architecture will maintain secure and verifiable logs of every user interaction. Scale Lab also launches FAIR, the world's first MEV-resistant Layer 1 built for AI and DeFi. FAIR, which will be the world's first MEV-resistant Layer 1 blockchain with Vodafone, that's important, as a founding validator. The blockchain creates a fair environment where AI agents and users can access deep liquidity without MEV or other forms of value extraction. So you see, by eliminating MEV at the consensus level with Byte protocol, FAIR enables AI agents and financial protocols to execute transactions on-chain and access liquidity privately and fairly. FAIR will also introduce native AI integration designed for both security and autonomy, with tools for autonomous agents to interact securely with on-chain markets. And FAIR will be powered by FAIR EVM Plus, which is a C++ based parallelized virtual machine offering asynchronous execution, instant finality, and database level optimization while maintaining MEV protection and AI integration. Now, the network will operate with a dual token model where Scale remains a core asset and the FAIR token will be allocated to the community and the Scale holders. Now, for those of you who doesn't know what MEV is, well, it has been a hot topic in the blockchain industry and particularly relevant in DeFi. You see, when blockchains still relied on proof of work, MEV stood for minor extractable value, but now it commonly stands for maximal extractable value. Fundamentally, it is the value that can be obtained by including, excluding, or reordering transactions in a block in addition to standard block rewards. So by eliminating that, they can offer zero gas fees. So last piece of news, on August 31st, Scale Labs, which is the team behind the gas-free Scale blockchain network, announced the launch of SocialFi incubator, targeted program designed to fund and accelerate teams building the next wave of viable Web3 social applications. The Scale SocialFi incubator targets builders with a track record of shipping, early-stage founders or teams ready to commit full-time, and those with deep interest or experience in Web3 and SocialFi, who are creative, fast, and obsessed with product-market fit. Selected participants will receive pre-seed funding to kickstart development, basically support from Scale's network of engineers, GTM experts, and recruiters. They will get direct access to venture capital firms and FAIR patreon.com/scale, core contributors, and flexible support through an optional Save Plus milestone-based grant or full program backing. The program reflects Scale's broader mission to drive mass adoption of Web3 technologies by eliminating the technical and especially the economic barriers that have limited blockchain's mainstream appeal until now. And that's all I got to say about that. So, as I said, I do believe it's an interesting proposition, gas-free. I like the fact that they also got Vodafone on board. They're doing some interesting stuff. Obviously, it should be seen as everything in crypto, high risk, but with the potential of high reward. That's all I got to say about that. Now, in case you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Hit like, smash, and subscribe, all them goodies. And I hope I'll see you soon again. My name is Nico Aracci, and I am a real investor.